So welcome back to another rapid game in our speedrun. So here we're going for bishop to c4, and let's look to get an Evans gambit this game. If our opponent plays the move bishop to c5, we're going to play the move pawn to b4. Instead he plays f6. Okay, this is not a good move. Okay, so after move f6 there are just many things we can do. We can play d4. We can even just play c3 and just play a normal position. Maybe look to bring the queen out to b3. This is not a good move. I'm just gonna castle, just play very simple chess here, and then play c3, d4, gain space in the center. I wonder if that was a misclick, but I can't actually tell, because also f5 is a very strange looking move as well in that position, so I can't tell if it was a misclick or not. I sort of just want to play d4, go for the center. Yeah, our opponent's played d5, so our pawn is being attacked, our bishop's being attacked. We should take here, attacking the knight on c6. Now the king is still in the center. Our king is perfectly castled, so the more the center opens up, the better our position becomes. So you should definitely capture here on e5, blow open the center, and then bring your rooks into the game, bring your queen into the game. Okay, knight to b4. Okay, I don't really want to trade queens because, like I said, position is very, very favorable for white. So my initial thought is just to avoid the queen trade, play queen e2, line the queen up along this e file with the king on e8, and keep the game going. I'm threatening to take here with a discovered check as well. So here I can take with the discovered check, and this is very, very unpleasant for black. It's in fact just completely lost. So after the move king d7, yeah, white has many moves here to win. So I'm gonna lay a little trap here. So I can play rook check, but like I said, just because it's a check doesn't mean it's the end of the game. So just make sure that yeah, you understand that. You can also take here, bishop takes and rook check, probably win the queen, but I'm gonna lay a trap. I'm gonna play the move pawn to h3. Now if black captures my knight, which is the obvious response, and so far everyone has captured the knight when their bishop has been chased, I can actually play the move queen to e6, checkmate, because this square is actually undefended. So yeah, not too much to look at this game. Essentially what happened was black played this move f6, which is really not a good move because it weakens this diagonal. Just don't touch the f pawn unless you're intending some sort of gambit or specific idea, but generally, yeah, don't touch the f pawn. And here we want to open up the center because our king is castled, the king is still stuck in the center, so we want to open up the position. And then here, yeah, it's already lost for black, but we can lay one more trap here just to get a quick checkmate in on e6. So I hope you enjoyed this game. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.